twist it. And like this, it's already ready to eat. Already ready to eat. Make sure your hand's clean, you know, when you do this. It's already ready to eat. Look, this is delicious, but it's better when you let it sit in this marinate, you know, for like a few hours. And it's gonna be more delicious. More delicious. See? Squids. Wow. So cool. So cool squids. See? Squid circles. Very cool. You can add a little bit salt, but I put so many spices, you know, like I'm gonna put a little bit. See, we have Himalayan pink salt. We're not gonna put too much, just a little bit on top, like that. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. And I'm gonna grab plastic, you know, little you guys probably have this in your kitchen, see? Like this. Put in there, close it up, and see, now it's closed up nice. So we're gonna look, turn over, see, and get everything juicy, see, very nice. Wipe it off. See, you want everything in that juice, because it's delicious. And let it sit in this, and when you eat, you know, kind of mix it up so that whatever was on the bottom, you know, it's gonna taste better in this marinade. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. And please check out our next video. We're gonna cook beef tongue. Beef tongue right here. Next cooking video, beef tongue. Thank you very much. God bless. Peace. Thank you.